guys, so magkukon tayo ng aking awards nung grade 3 up to grade 5. So yun guys, tanggalin muna natin yan para makuha natin to. Yun guys. Yan. So una is nung grade 3. Yan. Sorry guys kung maingay kasi umaambon, umuulan. May bagyo kasi dito sa amin guys. Di ko alam kung may pasok bukas. Ito nung grade 3 guys, yan. Nag-Children's Month celebration kami guys. So, ito naman, noong grade 3 din ako niyan guys, no? Demonstration of DepEd. Nung nag-programs kami dun sa school guys, yan nung grade 3. Tapos, ito din nung grade 3, nung Girl Scout kami. Tapos, nung grade 4 yan, oh, perfect attendance. Nung wait. Kailan to? First quarter. Wait. Second quarter. Ito nung achiever ako. Awan. Most industrious. Perfect attendance, first quarter yan. Tapos ngayon guys, second quarter achiever na naman, 88. Tapos, most industrious. Wala na akong perfect attendance guys. Kasi nag-absent ako nung nagpa-indiction kami, kaya may absent na ako. Okay. So guys, see you in my next vlog.